Okay, so now we will make our pizza toppings. So open Illustrator. We can hide this drawing part. Select the pen tool from here. Oh, let's get started again. Now this is nice. You can change the color from here, but we will make a little pink here. Okay, so reduce the stroke. It is so. We'll take the stroke 2. Unfill the color from here and correct all the shape. Okay, so now add some toppings. We will choose a circle. We'll make small circles here. And copy this. Press Alt on your keyboard and just. Oh, first of all, we have to group all these things. Press Ctrl G. Now this all grouped. Press Alt and just drag it. You can rotate it and resize for a new variation. Now we will move to the next design. Just go to stroke, choose with profile 1 and just we are done. You can change the color. You will choose red. So just copy this. Rotate it. Now we will move toward this outline designs. Okay, so we are done.